So this is the 5-year service on Worcester Greenstar Junior boiler. These are all the parts that are removed on the service. You've got a condensed trap, automatic air vent, baffles, the burner, filter, the fan bearing plates. These parts will be replaced. So there's the burner gasket, old and new. There's the electrodes. If you notice the old electrodes and the new electrodes, how we clean up everything we can, lubricate what needs lubricating, and we lubricate the bearing plate with graphite. Also the boiler will be drains, and we'll give the main heat exchanger a very good clean. So this is like the heart of the boiler. So this once every 5 years. And then once we've drained it, we can recharge this at the back, which is the expansion vessel. Any external vessels we do the same with as well. And then we can get the boiler back together. We can do all our checks, check the combustion, and then we can adjust the gas valve so it's giving us the correct carbon dioxide readings on the exhaust. This is the boiler back in one piece. Everything's nice and clean, put back together, been checked, pressurized, and now I'm ready to do all my checks and do the certificate. Just doing the final checks now and filling out the service sheet with all our readings and the details of the work done. So the boiler's looking like brand new. It's working beautifully. Now this in-depth service only needs to be done every 5 years, or in some cases if one of our readings is out, we can do the full strip down again. But every year apart from the 5th year, we just do more of a basic service. So we've tested out all our gas, our combustion, our water quality, and we're good to go.